system called MMS. Okay, MMS means merchandise management system. The problem is there is no interface with the JDA TMS. Okay, there is no interface. You have to create a code from the scratch. You have to develop an integration. And what we did is we did some shell scripting and PowerShell scripting we did, and we created the interface. So that should be interface. That is the first requirement. Okay. And then AST logistics, and that are all divisions. Okay. So like this, each and every division. So for example, for the peak loads, we have to plan it separately, on-call vendors, fixed capacities to be needed. So lot of requirements like this. So these are all requirements. Okay. Deadline will be there. So everything, this is the requirement. So this is the proposed solution. Okay. So for example, they want to classify the their delivery. So basically plan ID, right? In load build, you have plan ID, right? So customer to customer deliveries plan ID 1, store to store plan 2, warehouse to the store plan 3, something like that. So we have the plan IDs, etc., etc. This is how your requirement sheet will be. And then what happens once you're done with the requirement, they will sign off, and then they will prepare the solution document. This is a detailed documentation in a Word format. Usually it will be Word format only, or sometimes PPT. In this solution design, you will say what is the solution you are going to give to the customer. So you have, let's say you have some 100 requirements. How you address this 100 requirements? That is called design. So what you will do is you will prepare some diagrams. You will design the page also. For example, okay, how to say that? For example, Diageo asked one uh, penalty system, right? Let me check if I'm having that. Design. Come on, I think that is in different laptop, but okay, this is one example I will show you. Okay, you are able to see my screen, right? This is how you will say, okay, this is how you will say how the different systems are speaking with each other, and how the SAP is speaking, how the forecasts is speaking. So like this, you will put a diagram, and you will say how the solution is going to be communicating with each other. So this is a diagram. Okay, so this is how you will perform all this solution documentation, and you will say, yeah boss, this is how I'm going to do. So blah blah blah. So it will be a very detailed documentation. Okay, I don't know if I have anything. Wait a minute. I have one. Wait. Okay, yeah, this is one good example. Okay, so solution design you will prepare like this. So in the solution design you will say, this is for a particular customer. Okay, so these are the master data we are going to have. Okay, one